Lesson 7. Fun with Scratch. In the above question, you have played a game which made you go forward and turn at points where needed. Similarly, you can create easy games in a program called Scratch. Let us learn about it in this chapter. Scratch. Scratch is one of the easiest programming languages. You can use it to create games, animated stories, and projects with great ease. Scratch follows stepwise instructions to complete any given task. A set of stepwise instructions is known as a program. Starting Scratch. To start Scratch, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Scratch. The Scratch window opens up. Main components of Scratch. Various components of the Scratch window are explained below. Sprite. It is the actor who acts on the stage. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Stage. It is similar to a stage in a play where everything takes place. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions as per the given instructions. On it, you can watch stories, play games, and run projects that you have created. Blocks palette. Blocks are the code or command used to create a program in Scratch. Each block is used to perform a specific task in a project. By connecting blocks with each other, just like a jigsaw puzzle, you can create scripts in Scratch. Script. Script is a collection of a number of stacked blocks. It gives stepwise instructions to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of at least 2 blocks. Scripts area. The scripts area is the place where you create a script for a sprite to do a particular task. The script is created by dragging and dropping the blocks from the blocks palette. The following picture shows how to drag and drop the blocks in the scripts area. Moving a sprite. All the instructions related to the movement of a sprite are given under the motion category. Let us create a project to move the sprite in a circular motion. Step 1. Open the Scratch window. The motion category is displayed on the left side of the Scratch window. Step 2. Click on the Move 10 Steps block and drag it to the scripts area. Step 3. Change the number of steps from 10 to 30 by typing in the number box. Step 4. Click on the block. You will notice that the sprite moves a specified number of steps. Step 5. Click on the turned 15-degree block. Now, drag and drop it on the scripts area. Place it below the Move 30 Steps block. Change the number of turn from 15 to 30 by typing in the number box. Step 6. Keep clicking on any block in the scripts area. You will see that the sprite is moving 30 steps forward and turning 15 degrees in a circular motion on the stage. Let us understand the use of the motion blocks, which you have used in the project. Move 10 steps. This block moves the sprite 10 steps in forward direction. To move the sprite in the backward direction, type the number with the preceding minus sign. For example, 10. Turned 15 degree. This block is used to turn the sprite in the clockwise direction. To turn the sprite in the anti-clockwise direction, use turned 15-degree block.